Supreme Court has in fact very categorically stated here that unruly behavior inside Parliament and state assemblies should face trial. Unruly behavior that is displayed by MLAs or MPs, as we said, either in the centre or in state assemblies, should face trial. This is public property that is being damaged in this unruly behavior, and the MLA who threw the mic in the assembly must face trial. We have to maintain a sense of decorum. Our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja is getting us further updates here on this. Meenakshi, this was of course hearings of the case pertaining to unruly behavior we'd seen in the Kerala State Assembly in 2015. Supreme Court making it very clear here that when you are in the temple of democracy, you behave.
Well, absolutely, Seher. Terse observations coming in from the apex court. Like you rightly mentioned, Supreme Court clearly stating today that unruly behavior of lawmakers inside Parliament or Assembly cannot be condoned, and they should face trial for destruction of public property inside the House. As a matter of fact, Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud went on to state, and I quote, "Prima facie, we have to take a strict view of this kind of behavior. This is not acceptable behavior. Look at the behavior of the MLA who throws mic on the floor of the House. He must face trial," unquote. Honorable Justice M.R. Shah also of the opinion that these are MLAs who are elected representatives of the people, and therefore, in a sentinel of democracy, a sense of decorum has to be maintained. Like you rightly mentioned, this was a plea by the Kerala government, which was seeking permission of the Supreme Court to withdraw cases against some prominent CPIM leaders for vandalism in the Kerala Assembly way back in 2015, when the current ruling party in the state was in opposition. The matter has been adjourned as of now for the 15th of July, but not before the Supreme Court has provided insight about its perspective in this whole spectrum that we see play out of late in several assemblies of Parliament. Unruly behavior of lawmakers coming under the scanner of the Supreme Court and the top court of this country, completely frowning on such unruly conduct and behavior, saying that it cannot be tolerated, especially if there is destruction of public property inside the Assembly or Parliament, and such lawmakers have to be held accountable.
Right. Absolutely. Meenakshi, thank you for getting us those details.